Good morning, everyone. It's your girl Sasha here with another video. Vlog day. Hi. It's like 6 a.m. I'm literally wearing sweats and a shirt. I'm hopefully buying my sweater today. We'll see. But yeah, I'm vlogging today. Today I gotta go to school. And then I'm going over to Tasha's house, and we're going to her football game. So, yeah. So, I'm on my way to school right now. Taking me to school. My face is such a... You guys can't tell, but, like, it's bad. Like, I don't know, it's bad. But, yeah. Like, that's it. Like, we're not doing it, we're driving. There's nothing interesting going on, honestly. So I'm gonna go listen to music.
Show them the rain.
I'm in English, so yeah.
We're tired. We just took a quiz. We don't want to be here.
We have to go to Pep Assembly. People are looking at me. I feel awkward.
No one's looking at you.
No, I mean eye contact with somebody.
Oh. There's like one person.
Come here. Baker. Bye.
He made like the look of his own face, but like, you know, he doesn't like take pictures of himself.
Why do you keep recording?
I'm vlogging.
Yeah,
Let's subscribe to my YouTube.
Everybody subscribe. Let's get it.
Give me the 2 million by the end of the month.
2 million. Like that is gonna happen. Bro.
Fight Shane Dawson. Shane Dawson's quaking. Shane Dawson's quaking.
Let's go short crest. Hey. Oh. That was so cringy.
So
That's your vlogging camera.
I don't know if I said this, but we're going to a Prep Assembly.
And we're prepared to go deaf.
And I'm in it. Oh,
I gotta leave. I gotta leave early. Here.
and I'm in a bit. Oh my god. I guess
It's not working out. But yeah, we're going to a Prep Assembly.
Edit that out, please.
This is still my first period. I'm still in first period. What time is it?
It's second period.
9:23.
It's 9:23. We've been here for way too long.
Second period.
Don't you like?
I thought those clocks are wrong.
No, they're right. Well,
I don't know.
yeah, they're right.
Oh well.
Oh
Yeah, teachers look.
I think we're actually meant to go the opposite way, but you know, no one cares anymore.
Yeah. I'm just gonna wait till she notices.
She's never gonna. I noticed.
I got that whole thing.
I legit noticed when you pulled out your phone.
Oh.
I'm not oblivious.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the
We're
teacher.
walking.
Can you
Guys,
just,
we're
like,
walking.
not try to shove me?
We're using our feet.
Sorry.
She's just trying to make you go home.
Ow!
I'm in the. My God, he walks so slow. No, baby, come back.
No! Millie!
Oh, ow. I'm sorry. We're gonna run into people.
You shoved me into a wall.
Sorry, they're like, you fucking freshman. Fucking children.
Sister.
Where are we going?
We're meant to go to the. We went the completely wrong
I
way.
think I'm just walking at this point to walk.
No, here's the thing. We're going the wrong way.
Oh my God, we are going the wrong way. Wait, we're going to the assembly, right?
Yeah.
That's what. Why are we going?
Exactly. Gage ran up to some dude, and the dude
People are
said
looking
him,
at
and
me.
Gage fucking ran the opposite way.
What? I just stepped on someone's shoe.
What's said in front of a teacher's
This is such trash. These stairs are terrible. At the end of the day, these stairs are absolutely terrible.
Fun fact, my sister also said she can ruin anyone's life. My sister's a very powerful woman.
I never want to meet your sister.
Hey!
Come back.
We love you!
Are you leaving?
No, mine.
Oh, I didn't get to introduce your... I am so
Stop
sorry.
fucking shoving me down.
You're
Oh
shoving
shit,
me.
bagpipes.
What the... Oh my God, that mascot is the creepiest thing of a lifetime. Where are we going?
Stop shoving me,
I'm
please.
sorry. That mascot kind of freaks me out. I feel bad for them, so I'm gonna go through. Yeah. I'm really supposed to sit with someone. Are you supposed to sit with someone?
No. Nine. Nine.
My man.
No. Nine.
What do you mean no?
Nine.
Fuck you stupid whore.
Nine. Sasha, don't be sleeping with her. Right here.
I need to leave her out. What the fuck is this?
All my money look riches, 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 riches. All my money look riches, riches, riches. All my money look riches, riches, riches.
Right, I'm actually into it. She's down.
I got lean, it's on 40 in my red car. Change it, I like I ain't all this. Getting money, that my man.
Come close to me. She ain't going home when she supposed to be. Getting money like I'm supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be.
Look who we with.
Oh, I'm vlogging today, by the way.
Oh, okay.
That's.
I don't care because I'm always camera perfect.
Mariah,
Someone lied to her.
you good?
He's cute.
Who? Cameron?
I don't know his name.
Oh, Mariah.
Cameron's not
With
cute.
the green hat.
Yeah, Cameron.
He's a little.
I have him in my physics
Kinda
class. So you
cute.
finna walk me to class?
Hell yeah, I'm
Never
about to
had
walk you.
physics?
Walk you to
That's
class.
what I thought, bitch.
Look, he's a little cutie.
Yo, he cute, but he's short. And I don't date short
I mean,
guys.
he's like, you know, I'll make an exception.
like fucking
I know.
5'4".
I mean, he's taller than me, so.
Bitch! No, he's not.
Kinda.
I'm like 5'9", ho.
I'm
Vivian.
5'6".
I'm 5'6".
I'm 5'9".
I went to the doctors and everything. I'm
Sasha.
5'6".
Well, you're
I'm
tiny,
5'6",
so...
you're over.
No, I'm 5'6".
Yo,
I already
I'm gonna get
seen.
food.
Get food.
I'm hungry, bitch. I'll cut somebody if I don't eat something.
Equals 6.
I'm vlogging.
Oh my gosh, I vlog too. A case because somebody stole my calculator. So if that was you, please give it back.
Oh my god. We're at lunch. I can't. I can't. You're an actual YouTuber. Yeah. Oh my god.
What the fuck? Are you still on that?
Yeah.
Goddamn.
Like,
Just believe it. Don't you watch YouTube? They're people. They're not animated. They weren't created by YouTube themselves. They're actual people who make videos.
Like it's just weird.
Shut.
I can promise you I'm not.
Hashtag shut.
Well, the
You
bell.
can't say cuss words, remember? Like it doesn't YouTube.
Oh
like,
shit. Oh. This is a PG channel. Get the fuck up.
PG channel.
For who, man?
Not you, clearly.
I can't.
We are at lunch. Lunch.
I can't. Okay, you gotta get some content.
Yeah, we're at
like pranks.
we're
I don't know. Truth or dare.
okay, we're at lunch. Well, the bell just rang for lunch, so we should be going to our class right now, but
5-10 minutes. Maybe 10 minutes to get to class.
it's the last class of the day.
Yep.
Thank
Sixth
God.
period.
I can't wait to go home.
I don't want to go to my 6th period.
I'm so tired.
I was tired before because I was starving.
I think I might have to, because I have to present world history, I think. Hopefully he doesn't make me present it.
But I really wanted to sit in this row. Literally, him and his friends sit on like. What is it right behind us? Well, now they freaking do. They shouldn't though. This is my territory, bitch. I love the.
Oh yeah, duh, it's all day.
I feel like I just drank a Red Bull.
The Pep Assembly was boring.
I love it.
I don't care.
This is me trying to fit. I did stairs.
Why? I couldn't see anything.
I'm a positive.
I had like all the footballers right in front of me, so I couldn't see. I was like trying to look over heads.
You should have told them to fuck off.
Yeah, they're
Oh
probably.
wait, I know half of the football team, so it's
Yeah,
okay.
maybe it works for you.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy, Nate.
Nate. That's it. That's your best YouTube name?
Nate the Nutty Nut, 5,673. And, history class.
Okay, that's it.
Nate the Nutty Nut, 5,000.
Stop.
Hi to my YouTube channel.
Just, okay, you gotta think of a name. Because I'm Nate the Nutty Nut, and you are
Why? So what are you?
Nate the Nutty Nut.
Yeah, what's your YouTube channel name?
Why?
What's your YouTuber name? Shout out your YouTube channel. Come on, what's your channel? I don't know his name.
Hey, Dylan.
What's your YouTube channel name?
I'm the damn YouTube channel.
You have a vlog for what?
YouTube.
Well, what's up, bro? Yeah, you know, add your boy Carlos. .1340 on Snapchat. I gotta get the views.
Hey, what's up?
The day is finally over. Thank the heavens.
Are you seriously vlogging
Well,
on this?
I've been vlogging all day.
Okay, at least use the right angle. Come here. There you go.
There we go.
People now. There you
I
go.
do it low because I don't want to look like people.
We look like people now.
Merch, I can't make
And
merch
the
yet. That's too much.
chin.
Merch is too expensive.
Child. Can I hold your phone? Let
No,
me.
you can't hold my phone.
Give it.
I have a phobia of people touching my phone. I swear to God.
Okay, well,
I want to take that from him.
and like,
Where's my money?
wait, can I like show you how to do an angle? Though?
No. Let's get
Okay,
Ethan.
look.
Ethan,
Child,
come here.
turn the phone down. That was cute.
Say hello to my vlog.
What's up?
Well, that was lame. Lame hello.
Seriously, learn how angles work. There you go.
Stop.
Would you like to suffocate and die with me?
Stop.
I would love that, Jackson.
I bet you
Please
would.
kill me. I crave death.
Hey, suicide is the answer.
No, it's not. Don't tell people that.
What did he say?
Put it on a kid's show. Oh, fuck!
Sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. People are like, Jackson. I'm really sorry.
It's fine.
I'm really. I'll bring you food.
No, wait, I don't need food. I'm already fat, okay?
You're not fat.
Yeah,
No, you're not. You're chubby. It's adorable.
Yeah.
No.
I'm so scared of you right now.
I've never slapped someone I didn't know.
You just bitch slapped him.
I didn't mean to. Girl, I'm not violent.
Are you parked?
I'm waiting for my mom. She's late to pick me up. Yay. And then I'm going straight over to Tasha's house because we're going to her football game tonight. Okay, so we just got to Tasha's.
Why are you vlogging?
Oh my god, you're gonna like this vlog.
I'm sick.
That sucks. Can I borrow a sweater for tonight? We're going to her football game tonight.
Make sure it says.
Oh yeah, I only brought like one outfit.
Okay. Really?
I'm wearing this today, tomorrow, and then this.
She's gonna wear that like all weekend, basically.
Yeah, basically.
Does that look swollen to you?
A little.
We're at Leilani's house right now
You do not.
before the game.
You say Leilani.
No, I did not say Leilani at all. Hopefully.
I think you said Leilani.
No, I didn't. I know I didn't.
We're at Leilani's house right now.
Leilani.
So all of these had pictures behind them. Read them.
Oh, I get to
Yeah, he
read. Can I
called
read
me.
two?
Wait, so we have to read the first two. Like, for the...
We have to read in order.
No,
Oh,
there's
that's-
no order. Just read
Oh.
the front.
You're sad.
Open when you're sad.
You miss me.
Baby, I know you're sad right now because you're reading this and it's gonna get better. I promise, and I love you.
What?
I'm gonna if he remembers that he did it.
He is so far. He probably is gonna remember.
I have no friends.
Did they walk back in the bathroom?
Hey guys, so I totally forgot to vlog when we were at the game because there's just so much going on. There's so much drama and it was just like, no. But yeah, I'm in the vlog here. I'm so exhausted. Like, my head hurts. It was too much. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this vlog. Have a reaction video coming out sometime this upcoming week. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep and then, yeah.